Welcome to Muse's Sight Word Shape Up. Here are the words in today's session. Get ready. This is the word the. What word? The. Look at the arm. Can you bend your arm like this? The arm. This is the word a. What word? A. This animal is a goose. What animal is it? A goose. This is the word one. What word? One. I see one dog. One dog. This is the word two. What word? Two. She'll give a gift to a baby. A gift to a baby. This is the word my. What word? My. I love to hug my grandma. My grandma. This is the word and. What word? And. Look at the mom and her baby. Mom and baby. This is the word me. What word? Me. My grandma and me love reading together. My grandma and me. This is the word big. What word? Big. What a big dog. A big dog. That's all of today's words. Let's read them again. The, a, one, two, me, and, my, big. Now get ready to try them on your own. Great job! You finished today's Shape Up. Want a few more ways to practice with today's words? Then check out our activity kit on Teachers Pay Teachers. Be sure to catch us again next time. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.